Is this the electric Wrangler we've been waiting for, or just a very expensive apology for the end of the V8? Welcome back. Today we're looking at the 2026 Jeep Recon. Jeep calls it the first and only fully electric trail-rated SUV. I call it the most confusing yet intriguing product they've launched in a decade. Let's start with the headline numbers because they are absurd. This box on wheels is packing 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. That launches it from 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. To put that in perspective, that's faster than a Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in a vehicle that looks like it was designed using only a ruler and a protractor. But here is where the EV reality check hits hard. Jeep estimates the range at up to 250 miles. 250. In 2026, for a vehicle starting at $65,000, that number feels, frankly, a bit 2018. And remember, that's the estimated range. If you put big tires on it, load it with gear, and actually drive it up a mountain, which is ostensibly the whole point of a Jeep, you are going to have some serious range anxiety before you even hit the trailhead. Now, let's talk about the off-road chops, because this is where the die-hard solid-axle purists are going to start typing angry comments. The Recon rides on independent suspension front and rear. No solid axles here. However, Jeep swears it's trail-rated. It has locking differentials, robust underbody protection, and 33-inch tires on the Moab trim. It also has a new rock mode and a 15-to-1 crawl ratio on the rear motor. It's capable, sure, but is it follow a Wrangler Rubicon up a vertical wall capable? I have my doubts. But there is one feature that is genuinely brilliant. For years, taking the doors off a Wrangler has been a rite of passage that involves Torx bits, scratched paint, and swearing. The Recon changes that. The doors are designed to be removed without tools. The rear glass and swing gate glass pop out too. You can strip this thing down to a skeleton in minutes. That is a legitimate innovation that actually understands how people use these cars. Moving inside, it's a mix of rugged luxury and marketing gimmick. You've got a massive 14.5-inch center screen and a 12.3-inch driver cluster running Uconnect 5, which is excellent. The materials are recycled and durable, which is nice. But then you read the press release and find out there is a dedicated mounting point on the dash, specifically described as a duck holder. Yes, Jeep has officially institutionalized the rubber duck thing. I'll let you decide if that's charming or if we've reached peak cringe. Also, they moved the speakers from the doors to under the seats so you don't lose your music when you go doorless. That is smart engineering. So, what is the Jeep Recon? It's fast, it's expensive, and it has a range that makes me nervous. It's trying to bridge the gap between the mall crawler crowd and the rock crawler crowd, and it might just end up alienating both. Or it might be the perfect daily driver for the person who wants the Wrangler lifestyle without the Wrangler punishment. I want to know what you think. Is a 250-mile range a deal breaker for an adventure vehicle? And would you trade your solid axles for 650 horsepower? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.